welcome back to Car Look. Today, the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross. This compact SUV proves that you don't need to break the bank to get a reliable, versatile vehicle that's perfect for city driving and weekend adventures. Let's dive into what makes this little crossover such a compelling choice for budget-conscious buyers. The 2026 Yaris Cross embraces Toyota's latest design philosophy with a bold, adventurous look that punches well above its size class. The front end features a distinctive grille with a honeycomb pattern that gives it a more aggressive stance than its predecessor. The LED headlights are sleek and modern, with integrated daytime running lights that create a sharp, focused appearance. That's immediately recognizable as a Toyota. What really sets the Yaris Cross apart is its rugged SUV styling cues. The black plastic cladding around the wheel wells and lower body panels isn't just for show, it actually provides practical protection against rocks and debris when you venture off the beaten path. The raised ride height gives it a commanding presence on the road, while the roof rails add both functionality and visual appeal. The side profile showcases the Yaris Cross's compact yet purposeful design. The upright stance maximizes interior space while maintaining easy maneuverability in tight urban environments. Available wheel sizes range from 16 to 17 inches, with designs that complement the crossover's adventurous character. The rear end features modern LED taillights that wrap around the corners, creating a wide, stable appearance that makes the vehicle look more substantial than its actual footprint. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin that makes excellent use of every available inch. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, with Toyota's latest infotainment system taking center stage. The 8-inch touchscreen is responsive and user-friendly, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, connectivity that keeps you connected on the go. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with quality fabric upholstery that feels durable and well-suited for daily use. The driving position is excellent, providing good visibility in all directions thanks to the upright seating position and large windows. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the cabin, from the useful center console to the door pockets that can actually hold water bottles. Rear passengers will appreciate the generous legroom for a vehicle in this class, and the rear seats fold down to create a flat loading floor with maximum cargo space. The boot itself is reasonably sized for weekend trips or grocery runs, and the low loading height makes it easy to load heavier items without straining your back. Under the hood, the 2026 Yaris Cross is powered by a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine that delivers around 120 horsepower. While that might not sound impressive on paper, it's perfectly adequate for this lightweight crossover. The engine provides smooth, refined power delivery that's ideal for city driving and highway use. The continuously variable transmission works seamlessly with the engine, prioritizing fuel efficiency over sporty performance. Speaking of efficiency, the Yaris Cross delivers exceptional fuel economy, typically achieving around 32 miles per gallon in combined driving. This makes it one of the most economical crossovers you can buy today. All-wheel drive is available for those who need extra traction in challenging conditions, though the front-wheel drive version handles most situations perfectly well. The suspension is tuned for comfort rather than sportiness, providing a smooth ride that absorbs bumps and imperfections with ease. The steering is light and responsive, making parking and maneuvering effortless. When it comes to value, the 2026 Yaris Cross is hard to beat. Starting prices typically begin around $23,000 for the base model, which includes a generous list of standard features including Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, automatic climate control, and the infotainment system. Higher trim levels add features like heated seats, premium audio, and advanced safety technologies, but even fully loaded, the Yaris Cross rarely exceeds $30,000. The 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross represents everything great about modern Toyota engineering: reliability, efficiency, and practical design at an accessible price point. It's perfect for first-time buyers, small families, or anyone who needs a dependable crossover without the premium price tag. While it may not be the most exciting vehicle on the road, it delivers exactly what most buyers actually need. That's our complete look at the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross. Is this practical crossover on your shopping list? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Car Look for more automotive reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.